ഓം ശ്രീമാത്രേ നമഃ. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. Aipasi Masam 28th, 14th November 2025, Friday. Vishwavasunama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Sharadrudo, Aipasi Masam, that is Tula Masam, Krishna Paksham, Dashami Tithi, Bhriguvasaram, that is Friday. Nakshatram up to night 1:51 a.m. Puram Nakshatram, then Uttara Nakshatram. Today's Rahugalam 10:30 to 12 noon. Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Gulegalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. and 5 to 6 p.m. Sunrise 6:12 a.m. Chandrashtam for Magara Rashi. Prayachittam Jangari, Sradhatadi Dashami. Om Sri Matre Namaha.